Difficult day in the murder trial of Lindsay Clancy. As she sobbed in court, the jury heard the traumatic 911 call made by the father of the children,
who found the children dead in the basement. We want to make clear that some of this testimony may be very upsetting. NBC 10's Nicole Mader live at the court. We won't hear the call, but Nicole, you did, so did the jurors.
Jean, Patrice, emotional, doesn't even begin to describe what it was like in that room today. The testimony started with Patrick Clancy describing what happened on that night, and then we heard the 911 call, which we did not record. We were not allowed to record it. It gave a harrowing glimpse into what happened on that night.
In January of 2023, did Lindsay ever tell you that she wanted to harm your children?
No. More testimony today from Patrick Clancy, a gut-wrenching day in court.
At what point did you call 911?
I don't know the exact time, but it took a few minutes because my phone was switching between Wi-Fi and 911. So I almost just started calling out for the neighbors.
That 911 call was played in court. Patrick told the dispatcher his wife tried to commit suicide, and you can hear him encouraging her to stay awake, to look at him, to show him her eyes. The urgency in his voice is palpable.
I said, "What happened?"
And what was her response?
She said, "I tried to kill myself."
Lindsay was moaning but didn't speak. Patrick described the cuts on her wrists to the dispatchers, and when EMS arrived, he told them, "Stay with her. I need to go check on my kids."
And when you saw Dawson, what condition was he in?
I knew he was gone.
You could hear his footsteps sprinting down the stairs into the basement. And then he wailed, a blood-curdling howl, shrieking, "Oh my God! Oh my God!" as he found his 3 children with exercise bands around their necks.
I immediately ran over and tried to take the band off.
Were you able to get the band off?
Yeah.
And do you recall how you got the band off?
I think I untied it.
"I need help," he cried. "She killed the kids." As the call played, Lindsay Clancy shook and sobbed into her hands. Jurors were crying quietly. As the call ended and court went into recess, the only thing you could hear were Lindsay's sobs and sniffles from observers in the gallery, who were moved to tears by what they heard. No one in that room is ever going to forget what Patrick's voice sounded like on that call. He was not in the room. He was dismissed before that call was played. We did hear from 2 other witnesses before the lunch break, and then Patrick was back on the stand for cross-examination and redirect. That's where we leave things today. Court resumes at 9 a.m. tomorrow, and I'll send it back to you.
All right, be sure to join Nicole and Emily Voles for a daily debrief on the trial on the NBC 10 WJAR YouTube channel. You can also watch the court action live on turnto10.com.